Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add VPN extension in Google Chrome. So let's start. So I'm here in Google Chrome. Let's go to the right corner here on the three dots, and then let's go to extensions. Then here let's go to visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, so we have here the Chrome store that you can add extension. Just right here, VPN. Just click and you will find many VPN extensions that you can use it. I recommend the first one, the feature one, that is free VPN for Chrome. Just click here and then just click here on add Chrome. Okay, then just click here on add extension, and when you do it, well, the extension will appear here on the top right corner. You will find it, and here appears the extension. As you can see, here is the extension for VPN. You can check here, it's free, and the premium, if you prefer, well, the premium you can do it, but if not, you can continue with the free version. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.